Hey Sean, can you please help us on how to use the dashboard on the higher time frames and the lower time frames? Raju here. So we can quickly discuss. So let's say you see, like for example, when Bitcoin flip long on the weekly time frame, right? If you see a structure like this, it's long across all time frames, right? So it's very easy to assess. But let's say the 4-hour and the 12-hour short. Let's pretend the 4-hour and the 12-hour short, and you have a weekly time frame long, 4-day time frame long, 2-day time frame long. You know that the higher time frames are in an impulsive move, right? So you know that the weekly, 4-day, 2-day are long, so you have an impulsive move like this on the trend. Now the lower time frames might be doing this within the higher time frames, right? So let's say the daily is long as well, but then the 12-hour is short. The 12-hour is going in a downtrend. And within the 12-hour, the 4-hour is short. So within the 12-hour, the 4-hour is also going short. That's your multi-time frame analysis. You can essentially depict a bull flag by simply looking at the structure, right? Because if you have an impulsive move on the higher time frames, lower time frame downtrend, you can kind of visualize the structure in your head, even if the structure isn't clear on the charts, because the charts aren't the cleanest, and those are the trades at the best. So what is that to say? Essentially, if you have lower time frame, I'm going to try to draw it out over here, guys. Actually, I should use text here. So let's draw it out here, okay? Let's say the 4-hour is short, 12-hour is short, your daily is long, your 2-day is long, your 4-day is long, and your weekly is long. Okay, when you see this structure, guys, it mostly means pullback, buy opportunity. Right now, on the flip side, if you have the opposite, where your 4-hour is long, and again, I'm simplifying this because there's like bullish divergence that you can look at to get your edge, etc., etc. Now, on the flip side, if you have this, where your 4 hours long, your 12 hours long, but your daily is short, your 2-day is short, your 4-day is short, your weekly is short, what structure do you have? Well, you have the opposite, right? You have an impulsive move to the downside, and you have a move that is baiting in all the noobs, right, to the upside. That is simply a pullback to short into. So this is, when I say pull back into the trend. It's always pulling back into the trend, or you could say sell the rip. So when do you sell the rips? In this kind of structure. Opportunity, okay, right? Right, again, simplifying, but now on top of this, what you want to look for are things like bullish divergence. So let's say you have this, right, pullback opportunity. You guys should clip this out and turn this into a small video for yourselves. 4-hour short, 12-hour short, 1-day long, 2-day long, 1 week long. This is your pullback opportunity, right? But then on top of this, if you have bullish divergence, okay, on the 4-hour, bullish divergence on the 12-hour, you're like, ooh, wait a minute. We have bullish divergence on a short trend, while the daily, the 2-day, the 4-day, and the weekly are all long for me. I love that, right? So that's what you want to look for in the structure over here. Are we seeing any of that over here on Bitcoin? Yes, we are. But at the same time, there's conflicting, contradicting signals on the 12-hour saying, ooh, potential bearish divergence on the 12-hour. So you got to, ahead of time, list down what is a priority to you. 4-hour or the 12-hour? To me, the 12-hour is a priority, right? So I would put precedence on the 12-hour over any of the time frames, even over the daily, because it's been a barometer for the rest of the cycle, for this entire cycle. But bro, pullback also on alts, yeah. This technique works for all coins. Cardano too, we used the same trading techniques that caught us the big win on Bitcoin is the same thing that worked on Cardano. My trading style is so boring, but look at the wins we've been catching. Remember when I posted this all the way over here? Right? And look how well we've done.